Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I wanted to share with you the monthly subscription box from Miss Kate Designs. And Kate contacted me and asked me if I'd like to do a collaboration with her, and I was very excited because I had first purchased from her, it was like right before Christmas last year, and the papers are beautiful quality. There's stickers, there's ephemera, and it's really great that she does have a subscription box. So this is the April one, and I will link it down below. I have a referral link, so if you click on that and make a purchase, I do get a commission, but it doesn't affect your cost. So I appreciate if you use that. And I do have a coupon code to use at checkout too, which is strawberry cream, and that will save you 10%. So I'm going to show you everything that's in this subscription box. There's all sorts of information on the website about how to sign up for it. The good thing about it is if you sign up for the subscription, you get 10% off of your first month. And then after 3 months, if you're still subscribed, you get 15% off of your order. So I think that's wonderful. And of course, you can cancel at any time. There's free shipping with the subscription box. There's so many fun things on MissKateDesigns.com. Just check it out. You'll find all sorts of scrapbooking things and paper crafting, just really, really pretty things. So for the subscription box, there are 2 different parts to it. So if you want to get the basic subscription box, it is this, and this is the paper pack. And it comes with, how many papers? 20 sheets of paper, and they're double-sided. They're 12 by 12, acid and lignin free, made in the USA, which is wonderful. And there are 39 designs. There's an 18 by 12 sticker sheet in the paper pack, 4 sheets with cut aparts that are 3 by 4, and 1 sheet with 4 by 4. So I'm going to show you everything that's in here. If you want to get the extra paper pack, this is the coordinating printed smooth cardstock, and for this collection, which is called Birthday Wishes, you get these colors. So they coordinate perfectly, which is so nice to have when you're making projects. You don't have to go digging through your stash and finding a red that's not exactly the right one, or you know how it is. So if you want to get this in addition to the main paper kit, it's $34.99. and free shipping, of course, and it's $24.99 if you just want this one. So I think that's a great deal for $10 to get 32 sheets of really nice textured, or not textured, printed paper. So printed smooth paper. So we'll go through it and take a look together. I haven't opened this yet. I wanted to do it with you. Let me just take it out of the packaging for 1 second. Okay, I took everything out of the packaging. I know some people don't like the crinkling. I personally don't mind it at all, but some people don't like it. Okay, so this is the cover page, and the back of the cover page is printed, which is so nice. You know, sometimes it just kind of goes to waste if you're not able to use the images on the front. But of course you can, you know, use these teeny tiny die cuts if you want to, just fussy cut them. But anyway, this is the paper that's on the back, and it's nice, smooth cardstock. It's not glossy. It's a nice weight. I'm not sure of the weight of this. It feels probably like 65 pound, I would say. So really nice, you know, for all your applications, cards, 3D projects, all that kind of thing. So this is a white page with little black plus signs on it. The next page is a beautiful blue with white polka dots. And again, this is from the Birthday Wishes collection. These are the 4 by 4s. Yes, so there's 9 of those, and perfect for your birthday projects. It's so nice to have birthday papers, and these colors you could use for boys, girls, men, women. Look how cute. I mean, that little monkey guy. Is that a monkey? Yeah, with the tail. That is adorable. So I'd love these. These would make excellent bases for your cards. And then the next page has the candles on it with the bright primary colors, purple, well, purple's not primary, but you know what I mean. Purple, green, blue, pink, red, orange, and yeah, that's a really nice page. The next one are some more cut aparts, and these are so cute. Look at that little hippo with the toes. Adorable. I love these banners. Here's a nice journaling page you can use for a mini album. How cute would this be for a mini album, right? For your kids or for anybody. So that's that page. The next one is this diagonal stripes with the pretty, like, looks like sherbet colors, I would say. Nice and summery too. You don't have to use it just for birthday, especially a page like this. So that's that page. And then the back of that are these cut aparts. This is, I mean, that's a card front right there, you know. Just cut that out, plop it on a card base, and you are set. Maybe add some of the stickers or ephemera that's coming up. So I really like these, and like I said, you know, birthday papers are nice to have. And even if you have like for me, for the longest time, I had like 1 or 2 birthday collections, and I would get so tired of making cards with the same collection. It's nice to mix it up a little bit. So these look like bubbles. I like that. I mean, they're circles, but they, you know, they kind of overlap a little bit on each other. So nice colors. And then some more cut aparts. Super cute. Great for your albums and scrapbook layouts or cards, or whatever else you're making birthday-wise. Love this balloon page, and it's got confetti among it, and it's got like a highlight on that. That's really cute. Very nice. I love the quality of this paper. It's perfect. And then some more cut aparts on the back. These are 3x4s, I guess. Yeah, and then this one goes all the way across, which is cool. So you have presents and confetti, stars, candles, numbers, birthday boy. There was birthday girl on the other side. Delicious looking cake. And did I show the other side? Yeah. Okay, and then we have this really pretty purple plaid. Nice to have. And then this toss pattern with the balloons and happy birthday, cakes, cake slices, hats. Very, very cute. And it's so nice to have 12x12s because then you're unlimited in what you want to make, you know. Okay, and then this, I love this green. It's like a lime green background with white polka dots. And then the back is all the different presents, different color ribbons. Very, very cute. And then another stripe, and this one has like blues and greens, purples too, of course. So that's pretty. And then all the numbers on the back. And then we have a pink gingham or plaid page. This looks like a picnic cloth, but in pink. I love it. And then all the like little confetti kind of swirls on the back. It's such a cheerful color palette. This plaid is beautiful with all the different colors. Everything coordinates so nicely. And then birthday girl page. So super cute. You know, not everything girl has to be pastel. We can have bright colors for girls too. And then, oh, I love this. Look at that. That's like a kind of a golden yellow color, but still bright with the white polka dots. And then a nice stripe on the back, very rainbowy. That's a word. Then we have orange background with the white polka dots. And the multicolor balls or polka dots on the back of that, and they're different sizes. Sorry if I'm moving these around too much. I'm trying to move it so you can see everything, but you know, the pattern's pretty much the same on this one. This one is all just dashes, white, black on white, and then the back are all these banners, pretty colors. And then another pretty plaid. I love how there are so many different patterns. Beautiful. And then this is kind of like a bright red, I would call this. Background with white polka dots. Love all the polka dots. And then this page is cool. It's got like diamonds or squares on their points and then white lines going through it. Kind of looks like kites. And then a purple plaid on the back of that. Loving all the polka dots and plaids and all the pretty accent pieces. Birthday wishes, let's celebrate, the balloons, party time. So it's nice to mix something like this that has, you know, a lot going on with something that's, you know, more plain like the plaid. So I love mixing and matching like that. The next page is this purple background with white polka dots. And then birthday boy, just like the birthday girl one, I'm pretty sure. Let's see. Yeah, the colors different. Well, I think they're pretty much the same, except the balloons on the birthday boy are blue and they're pink on birthday girl, and the lettering's different colors, but otherwise pretty much the same. And then the next page we have these stars. I showed the back, right? Yeah. With all the different colors from the collection and a nice pretty blue back or plaid. And then birthday candles, and they have the little lines coming off the flame. And then all these cute balloon bouquets with the bows tying them together. Super cute. And then this is the sticker sheet that comes with it. So as you can see, they're all coordinating. And the stickers, I think they are the same as the ephemera. Let me just read my information here. Stickers are the same as the die cuts, reduced by 50%. Okay, so the die cuts will be twice as big as these, right? 50%. So yeah, super, super cute. Really nice quality stickers too. They're like on a matte white paper. So again, just add these to one of those cut aparts, use some of the pretty paper as a backgrounds, and you have really nice cards ready to go. And I love all those animals. Those are so cute. And cupcakes and cakes, all the different elements. Beautiful. And then this is the ephemera, and these come every month with at least 60 pieces, or at least there's 60 plus pieces in this month. So let's take a look at them. 60 cardstock die cut pieces. Okay, so you get a bunch of the like little confetti ones. I just see a few there. And then some presents. I'm sure there'll be more. Oh good, yay, all the cute little animals. Look how nicely die cut those are. I love not having to fussy cut these. And they come with the collection, which is so nice, you know. Sometimes like for paper collections, oh look at that banner. Perfect. I'll just order the paper and then I go to make something and I really wish I had some accent pieces to go with it. So this way they just come together. That's so nice. Birthday wishes. Pop this up on some double-sided foam tape and put that on the front of your card. And it looks so nice and it doesn't take long, especially if you want to make like a whole bunch of these at once. There's birthday boy, birthday girl. Cute little hats. I wonder if you could put the hat on the... Well, might be a little bit too big, but I guess you could. Maybe on a different one. Let's try this guy. Yeah, that's cute, right? I don't know, just playing. So these are all the different pieces. I love that bouquet. That is so cute. And these would be fun to even put like on the back of your card. Oh, and there's a whole bunch of balloons too, so you can make your own little bouquet. That would be fun. You could put these together. And what I would do is put a little piece of double-sided foam tape on the back of the balloon and then put them, you know, all together on the front of my card. And then I would tie like an actual piece of twine down here to make it look like it's, you know, a bouquet of balloons. And that way you add a lot of dimension, a lot of detail, and you didn't have to like die cut these yourself. They're already done for you. So love that. Let's celebrate. Let's see. So cute. I hope you guys like these too. I was just so excited to do a collaboration with Miss Kate, and I'll be making projects, of course, with these, and I will come back on to show you, but I just wanted to show you everything that comes in the kit. This is, again, the April subscription box, so it's still April and you have time to order it. You can order it separately. You don't have to get the subscription box. You just get a discount if you join the subscription monthly subscription. But also, if you use my code Strawberry Cream, you'll get 10% off of your order. So, oh, look at that. I love that. So there you go, 10% off if you want to try it out yourself. So lots of great pieces. And you can use these in other collections you have. I just love these animals. They are adorable. You can even put like a bunch of them together at once, you know? Just thinking out loud of what I'm going to do with these. I'm hoping to use them in some 3D projects as well. Here are a bunch of little pieces, you know, just little accents to put on the corners of your die cuts or cut aparts, little stars. You know, sometimes you're not sure what to do with your little pieces, but yeah, just use them as an accent, like on the corners. So, oops, that one's not turned over. But yeah. Really, really nice. Great selection of ephemera. Some bigger, some smaller. And then let's go ahead and take a look at the extra smooth cardstock pack you could get if you want to add that to your subscription. So 12 by 12, 2 of each color. Okay, and there's a QR code if you want to scan that. 32 sheets. Let's check out this cardstock. Okay, so yeah, it looked textured on here, right? So that's why I thought it was textured, but it's actually smooth paper, but it's got a little bit of a design on it. So it combines the best of both. You know, it looks textured, which adds some interest to your papers, but then again, it's smooth, so you could stamp on it, you know, die cut it easily. So love that. The back is white. So we have 2 of this beautiful pink color. And then here is a darker pink. And of course, all these coordinate nicely with the Birthday Wishes design pack. And then we have this really pretty bright red color. Really, it's very smooth, and it's matte, but it's got a little bit of a shine to it, as you can see, but it doesn't feel like slick or anything. And then this darker red color, really pretty orange, and you can really see the texture printing on there. So 2 of each is so nice. Like if you wanted to do 3D projects, you can, you know, use these as your base and then use the printed pages as your accents or layering pieces. Here's a very nice yellow. It's like a light yellow, and here's that more golden orangey yellow. And then here's a lime green color, which I've just been loving lately. These are all like citrusy rainbow sherbet kind of colors, which is really what I'm into right now, especially for spring and summer. Here's another like spring green. Here's a beautiful blue. It looks like a ocean blue. Here's one that's a little bit darker, and again 2 of each. And then this like grape purple, just so nice to have. See the shine on there? Yeah, but it doesn't feel really glossy. It's just, I don't know how to describe it. See, if you can listen, it doesn't feel like slick or anything. So I think it'll be fine for stamping if you wanted to stamp on these. There's like a violet purple, a little bit darker one, and then this kind of magenta color. So just a beautiful assortment of colors, and they go perfectly with the Birthday Wishes paper pack. So thank you, Kate, for sending me all of this. I'm really looking forward to getting started with putting some things together. Just want to put this up here so you guys could see the papers again. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll leave all the information down in the description box. And again, my referral link will be down there, as well as my coupon code Strawberry Cream to save 10%. And yeah, I will be back with projects using this paper collection, which I'm really excited to because birthdays are coming up. I've got a lot in my family in May, so this is just perfect timing. All right, you guys, I'll be back soon. Hope you have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Take care, everyone. Bye.